Kasi dyan lang po ako nakakita ng ganyan karaming pera.
The next picture, please.
Yan po, sabi po nila, hindi po sila magkakilala. Baka naman po fan lang siya.
Can we state for the record who the personalities in the picture are?
Yung boss ko po, si Boss Henry Alcantara, at saka po si Senador na akala po niya ligtas na siya.
Sorry, you have to have proper decorum, please.
I'm
We have to state for the record the name of the person and the occasion that we are talking about.
I believe, Your Honor, ito po yung birthday sa Soler na ito nga po yung parang sa 10 po ng Soler ginawa yung birthday ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Again, to be very clear who are the personalities, please state for the record in this picture.
Si Boss Henry Alcantara po, at saka po si Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Thank you. Next picture, please. So again, these are pictures with known personalities during the birthday of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Is this correct?
To be honest, Your Honor, I do not know when this picture was taken, but I'm just trying to show that Mr. Alcantara, Engineer Henry Alcantara and Senator Jinggoy Estrada have met a couple of times already.
And they appear, what do they appear? Do they appear close?
And they appear super close, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Please proceed. Next picture, please.
Si Ms. Beng Ramos, which is staff of Senator Jinggoy. Dito po is conversation.
Sorry, excuse me. Before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos?
Staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Yes po, Your Honor.
All right, please proceed.
This was the time na meron pong project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara kay Ms. Beng Ramos through Ms. Mina of WJ Construction. So, yun po yung ginamit na license or contractor. At nandyan po yung pag-uusap kung kailan po magde-deliver ng obligasyon dahil kailangan po ni Boss Henry.